Let's start our class with a couple of simple questions. Okay. So last class, if you remember, we had covered the ER and the IR endings. Let me know in the chat who is ready with the ER and the IR endings. Me. Suzanne says me from JB Nagar. Okay. Suzanne, you must have got a notification saying unmute. Click on that and you will be able to speak. Suzanne from JB Nagar, do you hear me?
Yes, miss. Hello.
Hello, dear. Okay. Which endings would you like to tell me, ER or IR?
Both.
Or both? Very good. Very good. Let's start then.
ER ending verbs E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT.
Very good.
IR ending verbs I, IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT.
Perfect. Very good. Very good, Susan. Pat yourself. Thank you, dear. Okay. So I'm displaying the ER endings and the IR endings once. Okay. You will see that in bold blue color. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. These are the endings for ER verbs. Any verb which ends in ER, any regular verb which ends in ER, to conjugate those ER verbs, drop the ending ER and add these endings according to the subject pronoun. After this, we had a small test, if you remember, and then we quickly went ahead with the IR endings. To conjugate IR, you usually drop the IR and then you add IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. So here are the endings. Suzanne had rightly said all of them. She remembers it. Let's go ahead now with the RE endings. Now, just like we have regular ER, regular IR, these verbs are the regular RE verbs. Matlab, they will end in RE. For example, Vondre, VENDRE. See, it is ending in RE. That is why they are called as RE ending verbs. To conjugate them, you drop the RE. Drop the RE. Okay. To conjugate them, you drop the RE. RE drop करने के बाद you will add the following endings. S, j form के लिए you add S, Q form में you add S, Il and L form में you add nothing. Nu form ONS, wo form EZ, Ils and Ls, ENT. So your endings are S, S, nothing, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Now, most important thing over here, when I say nothing, look at the cursor. Okay, there is a blank over here in the Il and L form. So when I say nothing, that does not mean वो पूरा blank हो जाएगा. That means वहाँ पे आप कुछ नया ending नहीं डालोगे. For example, Vondra is given here. तो Vondra का RE drop किया हमने and जो बचा base VEND वो हमने लिखा. After that we did not add anything else. So you drop the RE, you keep the base and you add nothing to it. Is that clear? Nothing मतलब blank नहीं छोड़ने का. Drop the RE drop करने के बाद जो base बचता है that you have to write and then you add nothing to it. All right? Am I clear? Again, the endings are S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. The endings are S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. Once again, S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. These endings are taken by all the regular RE verbs. Okay, all the regular RE verbs. So let's go ahead. I see a lot of people had raised hand earlier when I asked who want to answer. So one by one, I'll give you turn. DN Nagar say we have Namra. Okay, let me check if he's still there. Yes. So Namra, I'm unmuting you, dear. See, you must have got a notification. Unmute karke. Click on it. Yes, thank you. Okay. Namra, quickly tell me the subject pronouns first.
Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles.
Perfect. Very, very good. Give me the ER endings now.
E,
Yes.
es,
Hmm.
e, e, ons, ez, ent.
Very
Sorry.
good. Yeah, correct. ENT. Okay. Thank you, dear Namra. Perfect. Let's go ahead. Mahi from Takshila branch. Mahi, I have unmuted you. Click on unmute from your end. Yes. Thank you, dear. Okay.
Yes, miss.
The IR endings quickly.
IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT.
Perfect. Very good, Mahi. Very good. Thank you. Now we go ahead with the RE verbs that we just learned. RE verbs किसका हो गया learn करके? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, I see Arya has already put the answer in the chat. Who would like to answer for the RE endings? Let me know in the chat, or I would pick anyone random. Okay, Riddhi has raised hand. Riddhi from DN Nagar. Riddhi, are you there? Riddhi, are you there? Can you hear me, dear? Okay. Then let's give her turn to. Yeah, I see people putting up the answers in the chat. Okay. Vile parle se Palak. I'm unmuting you, dear.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. So Palak, the RE endings.
SS, nothing, ONSEZENT.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, Palak, dear.
Thank you, miss.
So here are all the endings ER, IR, RE. Okay. Now, after this, we are going to have a small practice and then we'll finally have a test. Be ready with a book and a pen. Those who are already having the book and the pen with them, quickly go through the endings ER, IR, RE. They are on the screen. I'll keep it for a few seconds and then we'll start. Those who are done with the endings, those who are ready, let me know in the chat. I see JB Nagar says Suzanne is ready, Katie is ready, Anaida is ready, Mahi is ready. Very good, very good. Okay, Suzanne from Takshila, Soham from Takshila, very good. Okay, let's start then. We'll have a practice of conjugating these three verbs. All right. I will unmute one person. Amrita from Ghatkopar branch. Okay. Amrita, you must have got a notification saying unmute. Click on that, dear. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So I would want you to conjugate ferme. Fermer. Ferme is to close.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, dear. We can hear you.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's start, Amrita.
Ferme.
Yes. Tell me the spelling, dear. Spellings.
FERME.
Very good. Continue. Q form.
Then FERMES.
Eel and L.
FERME.
Good. Nu form. NOUS.
FERMONS.
Very good. Very, very good. Vu form. VOUS.
FERMEZ.
And the last one. Eels and L.
FERMENT.
Perfect. Very good. Thank you, dear Amrita. Okay. Next, I will unmute. Riddhi from DN Nagar. Yes, Riddhi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, dear. Hi. Okay. So, Shuazir.
Okay. CHOIS
Yes.
IS
Very, very good. This was
CH
very important.
CHOIS IS
Very good. Okay, hold on,
CH
Riddhi. Hold on. So, class you see, she remembered to put the IS 2 times. तो उसने एंडिंग 2 बार नहीं डाला है. यहाँ पे CHOIS बेस है एंड फिर से IS जो उसने डाला, that is the ending. That is why IS is coming twice. So when you see IS twice in the answer, do not get confused. Very good, Riddhi. You have absolutely conjugated it correctly. Go ahead in the EL and L form, Riddhi.
CHOISIT
Very good. New form.
CHOISSISONS
Okay, once again, new form. Once again, new form.
Okay. CHOISISSONS
Perfect. Go ahead. Who form.
CHOISISSEZ
Yes, and the last one.
CHOISISSENT.
Perfect. Excellent, Riddhi. Thank you so much, dear. Let's go ahead. The last verb, atondra. Okay, and I am going to unmute Ketki from Vikroli branch. Ketki, click on unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Hi, dear. So the last verb for you.
Yes. So, ATTENDS,
Yes.
TUATTENDS,
Yes.
LLATTEND,
Very good.
NU ATTENDONS, WU
Perfect.
ATTENDEZ, and ILZELS ATTENDENT.
Excellent. Very, very good. So, perfect, Ketki. Thank you, dear. I'm displaying the answer. Before I do that, remember in the job form, the conjugation was correct. Only J apostrophe is to be remembered. Okay, for atondra. So, you see all the 3 verbs displayed here. Your friends have just answered the 3 verbs. Atondra mein, if you see my cursor over here, in the atondra, since the vowels are clashing, j form में j apostrophe हो गया. In the remaining forms, if you check, terme में je लिखा है, शुआजीर में je लिखा है, पर atondra में j apostrophe. क्यों? यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Let me know in the chat. क्यों j apostrophe लिखा? In the chat, everyone. Yes, excellent. So there is a vowel clash. To avoid the vowel clash, we put the apostrophe. Very good, Ketki. Very good, Malay. Let's go ahead. I'm going to display the questions on the screen. This is still preparation. After this, we will have a small test. So I'll put the questions on the screen and you will type the answers in the chat. Let's start. First one. Endings अच्छे से देखना, अभी मिक्स है. ER, IR, RE. तीनों मिक्स है. तो look at the verb का ending देखो and accordingly नया वाला endings डालो. Let's start. First one, Romplir in the new form in the chat. Very good. Very, very good. Man, Anaida, Jinesh. जिनेश एक लेटर मिस हो गया यहाँ पे एंड मन एक आई थिंक देयर इज अ टाइपो चेक सुजान एंडिंग आईआर है चेक करो आईआर एंडिंग वेरी गुड नम्र वेरी गुड दीप ओके ओके सो आई एम डिस्प्लेइंग द आंसर महालक्ष्मी वेरी गुड ओके Pritika you missed one letter over here otherwise your conjugation is correct Diya good Malay good Okay, I'll display the answer. Here it is. REMPL. तुम लोग L क्यों खा गए भाई भूख लगा है क्या REMPL is the base है ना You drop the IR बचेगा क्या REMPL फिर उसको ISSONS लगाने का ISSONS क्यों क्योंकि नो फॉर्म का IR वर्ब है Okay, that is why ISSONS I saw some of you had put ONS. Remember वो ER के लिए है and RE के लिए है. Let's go ahead. Shante in the ill form. In the chat quickly. Very good Man, perfect. Anaida perfect. Suzanne ending अच्छे से देखो, subject अच्छे से देखो. Diddi perfect. Jitesh perfect. Ashna perfect. Ketki perfect. Amrita check the subject pronoun. Kritika, Varshita perfect. Diya very good. Okay. So the answer is CHANTENT. ENT क्यों ILS है ना, ILS, इसलिए एंडिंग ENT. ER verb ENT. All right, let's go ahead. Desandra in L form. In the chat. Very good Jitesh, very good Varshita, Jinesh, Man, Mahalakshmi, very good. मन एक लेटर मिस हो गया, तुम लोग खा क्यों जा रहे हो एक लेटर, भूख लगा है क्या? मलय कॉन्जुगेट करना है बट ये आरी वर्ब है, अच्छे से देखो. कृतिका परफेक्ट. अमृता, सुजैन गुड, वेरी गुड. यस हाँ अभी आ गया मन. माही वेरी गुड. रिद्धि गुड. डैनियल एक लेटर मिस हो गया है. आशना एल है कि एल है, देखो सिंगुलर वाला एल है. लुक एट द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. दिया आरी वर्ब है ना, तो एंडिंग शुड बी नथिंग. ओके, आई डिस्प्ले द आंसर. L in the singular form, so the ending is nothing for RE verbs. All right, जिन्होंने ending E डाला, remember वो ER का ending होता है. RE के लिए you put nothing for the IL and the L form. IL and L is in the singular. Be very careful. Next one, Montre in the Q form. In the chat, Montre is to show. Very good Pritika, very good Varshita. अच्छे से type करो. I think there is error. Suzanne good. Jitesh good. तो हम अच्छे से देखो एंडिंग. एक लेटर फिर से खा गए तुम लोग. प्लीज चेक एंडिंग ER ड्रॉप करने के बाद क्या बचता है वो पूरा लिखने का, उसमें से कुछ भी खाने का नहीं. yes okay, so I see most of the answers are correct, only few of them have eaten R. MONTR. R क्यों खा गए? MONTR is the base after you drop the ER. ओके, ER ड्रॉप करने के बाद हम एंडिंग ES लगाएंगे क्योंकि ये ER वर्ब है. क्लियर? एनी डाउट सो फार? लेट मी नो इन द चैट. नो? शैल वी बिगिन विद द टेस्ट देन? ओके, बिफोर आई स्टार्ट विद द टेस्ट एक बार फिर से आई विल डिस्प्ले द एंडिंग्स. अच्छे से देखो, डू नॉट मिक्स अप द एंडिंग्स. ER का E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. IR, IS, IS, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT. And RE, S, S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. Palak has a doubt. Palak, okay, I'll unmute you. Yes, Palak, I have unmuted you from my end.
Yes, miss. Miss, I have a doubt in miss. It is IS or ER.
IS for IR. देखो सेकेंड कॉलम में IR है ना, उसके नीचे IS लिखा है. Getting me?
Okay, miss.
IS is the ending for IR verb. IS, IS, IT. Column देखो column. Second column vertically, standing line. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Is your doubt now cleared, Palak?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Anybody else? Any doubt? Are the endings clear? अच्छे से देखो. Do not mix up these endings. Shall we start with the test? In the chat, let me know if you are ready for the test. Yes. Very good. So let me display the questions on the screen. Here are the questions. Only 5 questions. Quickly write the conjugations only. खाली वर्ब को कॉन्जुगेट करो, अच्छे से एंडिंग देखना, ER है, IR है कि RE है इस बार। ओके, डू नॉट मिक्स अप दी एंडिंग। वर्ब चेक करो, एंडिंग चेक करो, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन चेक करो एंड अच्छे से लिखो, परफेक्टली लिखो। Once you are done, let me know in the chat. Answers in the notebook, Deep. Done. Anaida says done. Man says done. Riddhi is done. Others? Very good. Okay. So most of you are done. Let's start. All right. The first one in the chat, everyone. Write the answer in the chat for the first one. Very good, Arya. Very good, Pritika. Man, Mahalakshmi, Anaida, Ketki, all of you have written it correctly. Diya, Jinesh ending खा गए आप। कल आप पूरा वर्ब लिखना है, सिर्फ IS नहीं। Mahi, good. Malay, good. Okay, I'll display the answer. Here it is. CHOIS base and फिर से IS ending. मतलब दो बार IS आएगा. Remember, do not get confused and do not merge these IS. दो बार आ रहा है तो हम दो बार लिखेंगे. क्यों दो बार आ रहा है? चेक. IR ड्रॉप करने के बाद CHOIS बचता है and दूसरा IS is the ending that we add for the IR verb. Okay, let's go ahead. Second one in the chat. Very good, very good. All of the answers are correct so far. Amrita, Varshita, Mahi, Diya, Diksha. Subject check karo, subject check karo. Gitesh, very good. Suzanne, Man, Ketki, Malay, Arya, Anaida, Mahalakshmi. Okay, Kritika. Very good. So I'll display the answer now. Most of you have done this correctly. Here it is. FIN is the base, ISSONS is the ending. Let's go ahead. Monter in the Q form. Wow, क्या बात है, फटाफट आंसर आ रहे हैं. Okay, remember जिन्होंने MONT RES लिखा, R is not there in the verb this time. Check करो, MONTER है. So MONTER and MONTRER, they are two different verbs. MONTRER is to show. MONTER is to climb. Okay, so do not mix up. जहाँ पे R है वहाँ पे R लिखोगे. अभी ये वाले वर्ब में R नहीं है तो हम नहीं डालेंगे. It will be MONT base and the ending ES. Okay, most of you have written it correctly. Very good, Riddhi, Namra, Srushti, Suzanne. Great. Next one, Atondra. Be careful. Very good. Subject pronoun अच्छे से identify किया है सब लोग ने. Very good, Pritika. Very good. दृष्टि, वेरी गुड. मोक्ष सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन अच्छे से देखो. मोक्षा सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन देखो. दीप, महालक्ष्मी, दिया, गुड. हिनन सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन देखो डियर. ओके, Paul a mua. Anyone plus mua is always nu. That is why it is ONS. Atondo. All right. The next one, Daniel has already put the answer. Very good. Man, good. Pritika, good. Very good. Deep, Pumi, good. Drushti, good. Suzanne, great. Very good. Fantastic. So the answer is, as you have said in the chat, Chant. CHANTENT. Okay. So now I assume that you all have understood the ER, IR, and RE endings. We are done with the discussion of all the 5 sentences. If you have any doubt, let me know in the chat. Palak has a doubt. Okay, Palak, I'll again unmute you. Yes, Palak.
Miss, what is the last sentence? I can understand that.
Les enfants, children, है ना? Children मतलब they, ils form ILS.
Hmm.
That is why CHNT ENT. Ils form का ER ending ENT. Okay, Palak?
Okay, miss. Yes, miss.
Children, there are many in number ना, plural वाला. Okay. Now put your scores in the chat. I see JB Nagar, Suzanne has put 5 on 5. Suzanne from JB5, Malay, very good, very good. Everyone is almost full or 4. Very good. 4 on 5 or 5 on 5, which is very good. Great score. Well done, you all. So we will stop this here and I will share another screen with you all because we are starting with another topic. Okay. We are done with the regular ER, IR and RE endings. Now hold on, let me share another PPT with you all. Please be there. Okay, so there it is. Let me know if the screen is visible to you in the chat. Are you able to see the screen, everyone? Yes, yes. Okay. So let's go ahead then. We are going to start with les couleurs en français. Les couleurs en français, the colors in French. Okay. So again, I am going to unmute one person and ask simple questions. All right. Who wants to answer? Let me know in the chat. They are very simple questions. Okay, or you can put the answers in the chat. First one, what is red? Let me know in the chat. Very good, Deep. Malay, Ketki, very good. Perfect. Man, very good. Suzanne, good. So you all know this. All right, so I'll display it here on the screen. Rouge. Next one, what is blue? Let me know in the chat. Kritika, rose is pink, okay? Yes, Varshita, correct. Man, correct. Very good, very good. Yeah, absolutely correct. Here it is. As you have typed in the chat, BLEU. Okay, remember UE nahi EU. Ulta ho jayega in French. Green in the chat. Very good, Amrita. Daniel, good. Ketki, good. Shalika, good. Ashna, good. Muksha, good. Okay. So I'm displaying it on the screen. You all know this already. Now, yellow. Yellow in the chat. Very good, Daniel. Ketki, good. Very good. Superb, Mahalakshmi. Okay. Single N है हाँ नंबर single N jaune single N JAUNE pink in the chat rose yeah ये तो बहुत simple है brown very good Pritika Ketki Moksha Shalika very good okay so your answers are correct. Do not make it feminine. Keep it in the masculine form. Remember, we are still doing the masculine singular. I'll come to the feminine. Hold on. Next one, gray in the chat. Yes, very good. Very good, Pritika. Very good, Deep. Krisha, Varshita, Shalika. Very good. Man, Mahalakshmi. Great. Here is your answer. Okay. Gray is grey. Okay, Krishna. We will come to what you are talking later on. Oh, black in the chat. Very good, very good, very good. Wow, super. I'll display it over here. White in the chat. Very good, Pritika, Man, Muksha, Varshita, masculine form चाहिए अपने को. Very good, Mahi. But remember, we are discussing the masculine form. So we will only have BLANC. Okay. Orange is the same, so I will display it over here. And the last one, chestnut brown. Chestnut brown matlab dark brown. Anyone for dark brown in the chat? Very good, Ayushi from Vile Parle. She has answered it correctly. Very good, Krishna. Krisha, it is, sorry. Krisha, no? Right. Daniel, dark brown, dear, dark brown. No, you cannot mix black and brown to make it dark brown. There is a separate word for it. So here it is marron, marron. Okay, marron, marron. Now we have to make it feminine. So I'm going to unmute one person. Pritika, I'm unmuting you.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Pritika, quickly tell me the feminine forms. Rouge in the feminine.
ROUGES.
Feminine singular.
ROUGE.
Yes, no change. Q no change, Pritika?
Because it's ending with E.
Yeah, it's ending in E already. Next one. Blue.
PLEUE.
Very good. Extra E add करेंगे. Vert में Pritika.
BERTE.
Very good. Zone. Does it change?
No, same.
Why, Pritika?
Because it ends with E.
Very good. Rose. What about rose?
Rose is also same because it ends with E.
Yeah, so no change. Next one.
BRUNE.
Very good. Next.
GRISE.
Great. Next.
NOIRE.
Fantastic. Next.
BLANCHE.
Perfect. यहाँ पे extra H उसके बाद E. So you have to star mark this so that you don't forget the extra H over here. Okay. Next one, Pritika.
ORANGE.
Very good. No change. And the last one.
MARRONE.
So remember last two में double star mark दिया हुआ है. See the cursor है ना? That is because the last two colors do not change at all in any of the forms. Okay, this is very important. Note down. Orange and chestnut brown, they do not change in any of the forms. Neither feminine singular, masculine plural, nor feminine plural. कोई भी form में ये change ही नहीं होगा. सब form में orange, orange, orange same रहेगा. सब form में marron, marron, marron same रहेगा. All right. Thank you, Pritika dear.
Thank
you. Okay. I say Ketki says unmute me. Okay, Ketki, your turn. Yes, Ketki. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
teacher.
Now, Ketki, हम masculine plural वाला column कर रहे हैं. Okay, we are doing the fourth column. So when you are doing the masculine plural column, आप मुझे बताओ to make it masculine plural, which column will you refer? मतलब feminine singular. Yes, absolutely correct. जब हम masculine plural बना रहे हैं तो हम masculine singular column refer करेंगे. So we do not need the feminine singular column now because masculine plural बनाने के लिए we will refer masculine singular column. Start Ketki. Rouge क्या करोगे? How do you make it plural?
ROUGES.
Very good. Next one.
BLUS.
Okay. BLEUS. हाँ.
EUS. Yeah. BERTS.
Great. Next.
JAUNES.
Very good. Next.
ROSES.
Superb. Next.
BRUNS.
Excellent. Next.
GRIS.
Okay. यहाँ पे कुछ और डालना है और एक S?
No.
क्यों?
It already has.
Very good. So words which are already ending in S, X or Z, they do not change in plural. हम उनको वैसे का वैसे रखेंगे. Very good. Ketki remembers this rule. Next one, Ketki.
NOIRS.
Great. Next.
BLANCS.
Yes. And last two, Ketki.
ORANGES and MARRONS.
ओके, तो रिमेम्बर लास्ट टू को हम नहीं चेंज करेंगे, ये मैंने बताया था अभी थोड़ा टाइम पहले. ओरेंज एंड मारोन डू नॉट चेंज. ओके केतकी, तो उसको एस भी नहीं लगाना है, ई भी नहीं लगाना है, उसको वैसे का वैसे ही छोड़ना है. गेटिंग मी एवरीवन?
Yes.
Do not change the last two colors in any forms. Okay, thank you, Ketki. Daniel wants to answer. So, Daniel, I'm unmuting you. Yes, Daniel, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So, Daniel, tell me which column will you refer to while you are making feminine plural?
Miss, Miss feminine singular.
Yeah, absolutely correct. तो हम अभी थर्ड कॉलम रेफर करेंगे, फेमिनिन सिंगुलर वाला कॉलम. यू कैन चेक माय कर्सर, ये वाला कॉलम. गो अहेड डैनियल. रूज का फेमिनिन प्लूरल.
ROUGES.
Yes. Next.
BLEUES.
Yes. Very good. Next.
VERTES.
Absolutely correct. Next.
JAUNES.
Next.
ROSES.
Yes.
BRUNES.
Very good. Next.
GRISES.
Yes. Perfect. Next.
NOIRES.
Yes. Absolutely correct.
DLANCHES.
Excellent. And the last two.
ORANGE and MARRON.
Very good. Very good, Daniel. He very well remembered class. Last two में कोई changes नहीं करना है. Very good, Daniel. Pat yourself. Thank you, dear. So here are all of the forms of the colors. All right, masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. Take a few seconds, go through this, and then we'll have a small practice test before we end the class. ब्लॉन्च में एक्स्ट्रा एच डालना है फॉर द फेमिनिन. ऑरेंज मारो में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं करना है, ये अच्छे से याद रखो. देन यू हैव अ फ्यू कलर्स. रूज वो फेमिनिन में चेंज नहीं होता है, जोन फेमिनिन में चेंज नहीं होता है, रोज फेमिनिन में चेंज नहीं होता है, बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी एंडिंग इन ई. तो फेमिनिन में कोई और एक्स्ट्रा ई नहीं लगाने का. लेट मी नो इन द चैट, आर यू रेडी? Yes, great. So here are your questions. Okay, type the first one in the chat. अच्छे से देखना कौन सा वाला फॉर्म है. FS मतलब फेमिनिन सिंगुलर, MS मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर, MPL मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल, FPL फेमिनिन प्लूरल. ओके. फेमिनिन सिंगुलर है, दोज आर जस्ट टाइपिंग ग्रीन. फेमिनिन सिंगुलर है, अच्छे से देखो. फेमिनिन सिंगुलर. So yes, I display the answer. Here it is. Very good. VERTE, feminine singular. Now next, yellow in the masculine singular. Very good, Namra. Very good, Diya, Varshita, Pritika, Mahi. Okay, I display the answer. Perfect. Next one, black in the masculine plural color. Black in the masculine plural. Very good, Riddhi. Very good, Varshita. Yeah. White in the feminine plural. White in the feminine plural. Very good, Riddhi. Very good, Anaida, Amrita, Diya. Deep, it is feminine है पर feminine plural भी है, अच्छे से देखो. Very good, Pritika, Jinesh. Very good. Okay, there it is. DLNCHES. Very good, Deep. Trishti, good. Okay. Gray in the masculine singular. Man, Anaida, Amrita, Riddhi, Varshita, excellent. Rebecca, good. Tisha masculine singular है, अच्छे से देखो. Yeah, so there goes your answer on the screen. Next, brown in the feminine singular. Very good, Amrita. Very good, Mahalakshmi. No, it's not dark brown. Very good, Namra. Drishti, Riddhi, Tisha. Okay, I display the answer. Pink in the masculine plural. Very good, Suzanne. Riddhi, Varshita, Deep, Ritika, Diya, Drishti, Shalika, Rishikesh. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Okay. There goes the last one, rouge in the feminine plural. Yes, absolutely correct. क्या बात है? Champions बन गए तुम लोग. So here are the answers displayed on the screen. Go through them. Any doubt? Let me know. Let me know if you have any doubt so far. No doubt? Okay. Now remember, in the next class, we are going to have a small test again on colors. Okay. So basically, आप क्या करोगे? You will go back to the recording and you will make the columns. First column आप copy करोगे. English वाला column you copy. Remaining columns you will fill on your own. खुद से try करोगे लिखने का and then cross check करोगे that you are getting it correctly or not. That is your homework. All right. Once again I repeat. I'll display with the table. Here is the table. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? First वाला English वाला column you can copy for yourself in the book. Remaining columns you will fill up on your own. Okay. Remaining masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. ये सारे columns तुम खुद से fill करोगे.